Joe's fishing. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Where you at, you little bastard? I can't catch one. I can't catch a goldfish in a gallon of water. Playing in the pond. Joe caught scum. Lots of scum. No fish though.
I've caught two, damn it.
I haven't seen them. Hell, just put the bucket down there, let them jump in them. The odds ought to be about as good. Want to shut it off? Let it settle? Yeah, Joe's still trying to catch fish. She thought if she let the water out, maybe she'd get one.
Oh, sure, Ron. That's a lie.
How many you got now?
Got them all.
I don't know. There's a half-inch of water over there. Could be one hiding there. Wonder if we need to call a game warden. I don't think it's legal to drain the lake.